Hello students, good morning. Standard 4, subject marigold. Alice in the Wonderland. One day Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. एक दिन थी जो अलाइस थी वो अपनी सिस्टर के साथ ट्री के नीचे बैठ के एक स्टोरी सुन रही थी. सडनली शी शो अ वाइट रैबिट स्कैम्पर बाय. एकदम से अचानक से उसने एक वाइट रैबिट को देखा. ही हैड पिंक आईज एंड वॉज वियरिंग अ ब्लू कोट. उसकी आंखें पिंक कलर थी और पिंक कलर की थी. उसने ब्लू कलर का कोट पहना था. ही टुक आउट अ बिग वॉच फ्रॉम हिज वेस्ट कोट पॉकेट एंड एज ही हरी अवे ही सेड, ओ डियर आई विल बी टू लेट. देखो उसने अपने पॉकेट में से एक वॉच निकाली ऐसे देखो और वो बोल रहा है कि मुझे देर हो रही है डियर, मैं जा रहा हूँ. सी थॉट देयर वॉज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट अबाउट दिस रैबिट. उस रैबिट ऐसा कभी होता है उसने पहली बार देखा कि ब्लू कलर का कोट पहना था, उसके साथ उसके पास वॉच थी, पिंक कलर की आईज थी. ऐसा कोई रैबिट होता है? वो एकदम शॉक थी. सो आफ्टर it could talk, it wore a red waistcoat and it carry a watch. देखो उसने रेड कलर का कोट भी पहना था अंदर एंड उसके पास एक वॉच थी. Alice wondered a rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with the curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. उसको जानने की बहुत उत्सुकता हो रही थी, क्यूरियोसिटी. तो वो क्या करने लगी, फिर रैबिट को फॉलो करने लगी. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. रैबिट एकदम से भागता भागता गया रनिंग करके और एक लार्ज होल के अंदर वो चला गया. अलीस जंप इनटू द रैबिट होल टू. जो अलाइस थी उसने भी वो होल के अंदर जंप कर दिया. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into he rabbit hole. देखो तो अंदर जाता ही गया. Alice said aloud, वो जोर से चिल्लाई, where am? How many miles down have I fallen? मैं कितने माइल्स अंदर चली गई हूँ. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. उसको क्या लगा कि अर्थ के नियर में चली गई है. She wondered, will I slip toward the earth to the other side? देखो उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि अर्थ उसकी अदर साइड में है. Thumb, Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. उसने फिर एकदम तुरंत से एक white rabbit देखा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि वही होगा, दूसरा भी हो सकता है. It disappeared saying, oh my ear and whisker, how late it's getting. देखो ear मतलब कान और whisker मतलब उसकी मूछ होती है ना, वो होती है whisker. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. देखो कितना हाई था, 15 inches हाई था. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden. उसने क्या देखा, एक glass table देखा. Key on it. वहाँ से उसने क्या लिया, key. She tied the little golden key in the lock and to her delight it fitted. देखो Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. देखो एक गार्डन ऐसा था कि उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं था. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountain. देखो एकदम कलरफुल से फ्लावर्स थे, फाउंटेन था. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. लेकिन इसका कोई डोर नहीं था, वो मिरर में से देख रही थी. दिख रहा होगा आपको. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. वो एकदम जोर से बोलती, काश मैं स्मॉलर होती तो मैं इसके अंदर से चली जाती. न्यू वर्ड्स इंग्लिश की नोट में 3 times लिखने हैं. Reading is fun. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ के क्वेश्चन आंसर से सेकंड, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? The rabbit that Alice saw different from other rabbits because of following features. उसमें it was wearing a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It was going somewhere hurriedly. It could speak. It had pink eyes. It had a big watch. टेक्स्ट बुक की सारी एक्सरसाइज नोटबुक में करनी है, जैसे कि हर बार करते हैं वैसे। क्वेश्चन थर्ड, वेयर डिड द रैबिट गो? द रैबिट एंटर्ड अ डीप रैबिट होल. हाउ डिड Alice रीच वंडरलैंड? Alice, following the strange rabbit, jumped into the rabbit hole. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She fell on a heap of dry leaves and thus reached Wonderland. देख लो ध्यान से। Find number, what strange thing did Alice see? 5 and 6 नंबर का देखो। In wonderful everything was very strange. Alice saw a very small door about 15 inches high. She saw the strange wild rabbit entering the door. It was still saying that it is getting late. Alice further saw a glass table on which a golden key was lying. She opened the lock with the golden key. When Alice opened the door, she found a beautiful garden. It was the most beautiful garden that Alice had seen in her life. There were various colored flowers in the garden. The fragrance was very, very attractive, and the garden also had fountains. She wished that she could stay there forever. Draw the garden of your dream. आपको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है खुद आपका ड्रीम गार्डन. Tick the correct answer. The rabbit had pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Lies. Who fell down and down and down? The rabbit. Who said, "Oh my ears and whisker, how late it's getting"? The rabbit. The garden alive show was lovely. Let's talk. Describe some of the sound you hear at night. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? During night, strange sounds of owls call, blowing wind and night watchmen's whistle are heard. They sometimes are horribly. Horrifying. If I were lice and my partner were a rabbit, I would do exactly what a lice did. Example, I would follow my partner to the wonderland. A lice show beautiful flowers, fountains, and a good scenery in the garden. She also felt the pleasant fragrance of colorful flowers. If Alice could become smaller, she would have got into the garden. Okay, next. Let's write. Find one word from the story that means to walk fast, hurry, happy, delight, at once, quickly, move fast, scamper. To think, wonder, to be seen, now where, disappear. To be inquisitive, curious. Give the another word for the ones given below with similar meaning and make sentences. Now write the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. Lovely, talking, listening, see, center. Opposite क्या था lovely का nasty. Talking, silent, listening, speaking, see, ignore, and center, border. Sentence. Dhoni had nasty nature. The class was silent. Mother was speaking to the father. Rabbit ignored Alice. Army men live at the border for our country. Image you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? इसमें नहीं आएगा, नोटबुक में ही लिखना पड़ेगा. In the beginning, I would see rocks, dust, soil, water, and mud. A little deeper, I would see soil, rocks. At the center of the earth, I would see red hot core which will have thousands tag roasted temperature. With the increasing depth, the temperature of the interior of the earth would increase. Further, I would encounter volcanoes, hot magma, and rocks in liquid form. Last, Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Talk rabbit, how can? How can a rabbit talk? Going he is where? Where is he going? Read he can, time the, can he read the time? Hurry is in a why is he in hurry? क्वेश्चन मार्क कंपलसरी करना है. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक का सब कंप्लीट हो गया है, तो अभी आपको ये सब कुछ नोटबुक में कंपलसरी करना है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे. Okay students, bye.